I not go just mingle with somebody and then have the money. Cause I don't want to take more. No girl in there so want to take more. No girl in there so want a good man. Well, yeah, cause I brush my teeth this morning, you see it? And I use coffee and mix with toothpaste and lemon. I use coffee mixed with toothpaste and lemon. And that's how I get it. Is what I say. But everybody, what I need still, I need 10,000 tapping. Come in there, everybody. Start a GoFundMe. Big up yourself for the gift, everybody. Oh, this thing. Come in there, everybody. 10,000 tap in there. Come in. Diet back to black. Thank you very much for looking nice and clean. I now die back me to black, bro. You mad? You can see so much girl love off the thing and you gotta tell me die back. You know say you bad mind me. Yeah. Me could never see so much girl like have the hairstyle and them go.
Oi.
What you say?
Mind what you're saying.
Mind me I say though.
You're single, you're this, you're that. No, you're not.
If more say me single, you're not busy.
You're single,
you're not care about me.
In your face right now.
You're not care about me.
Why'd you say that?
You're not business with me. The only time you come out when me say me single and look how fucking long me days I call it. Me there I call it how bumbuckly long for deal with something for me as me ear so me single. Eh?
What did you want me to do though? What? Nothing.
You tell you say I want a split for bun.
I'm not rolling nothing for you. What do you mean?
I'm hungry, man. I ain't nothing for money.
Yeah, make food then. I'm not doing it for you. Just know yourself. Because you're not single. Carry on. And watch what happens.
This I just asked me the answer. So.
Yeah, know what you're saying.
Let me show you something then. Look. Yeah man, people. Texture it. No, I don't need to texture my ear no people, cause look, I tell you already say, I mix with coolie, I mix with Chinese, and I mix with a little bit of Asian. Mix a little bit with black. So I am, oh shit, nothing. Should I accept it? Wagwan.
But we are ramping.
Wago down.
Are you for telling me? So, your ear change?
Yeah. You know, I have to give them a look different.
Julie, yes, Julie, that shame, she shame. Eh? Where you say, baby love?
No, I say, you know, I have to give them a different look. So where up to?
Me say, me I try figure out how come you send the money to give me one end up play no more match with me is what happen.
No, I know say I say play no more match. I true, me not get no support from what they so that's why I'm kinda no play no match cause I mean the people are now support from what they so that's why I'm kinda just love the match. Thing you get me?
I have children that people over there and them not do nothing.
Probably me don't say 5 of them me sure about me don't know if the rest of them stay no other way. Me can sure of 5 of them.
Oh, I get what you mean sometimes.
I don't think the 5 of them have it, you know. But the other rest of them are just troll.
Oh, okay. Alright, that's fine though. But that's that one though.
Somebody said they got me.
Oh. So why people them say you're too rude, that's why.
Make them move them blood cleat and go. I lie them and tell them if I be nice to them, they no business with me. Yeah, me I tell them Macka man, if I be nice to them, they no business with me.
So what better? Be nice and get them say to lie as well.
Bless
Him
him,
say,
thank you,
him say
bless
a good
him.
morning.
Eh?
And them say, watch ya? Him a big shooter over there.
No, sir. Nobody said that, Macka. So, what
Somebody start, but now get speed again because them have to start so big. Then couldn't just wait.
So, what to your team, Macka? You don't have no team either.
No, sir, I'm not nobody over here either.
And I use say, buddy, take man pan him, take the house and car and run him. Go away. Remember I used to say that, you know. Remember you want the cow foot, you know. So, I want to tell Macka man, you always have people support.
Disrespectful to the views and his wife. Okay. So that's what going over there.
No, you see them people that we attack, them people have some corruption them. Them people we attack is like them corrupted. My people them over here no say I am not a disrespectful person.
Ali.
Good youth, just doing a good stuff
Thank you.
and making sure say everybody alright.
Yeah, disrespectful and but here what happen how me know about the app go. You see if you take it to one direction where it's just pure them drama there, you have the drama bring a lot of people who just come listening.
Yeah, but if me disrespectful and me this and me that, what them a do over here? Why them not do over somebody live?
Four roses, guys. Include bad and feed Laura bad and check the screen records. Okay. 4 roses, guys. 4. I'm gonna see if we can catch a speed there. We're gonna try 4 people, 4 roses. Catch it, guys. That move fast. 2 more. Anybody else?
Everybody, one more.
One more. Okay, I'm gonna try to catch it over there now. 1 more, guys. Yes. Look at bust out him.
Look like I forgot my glasses. Let me put on my shades.
Look at bust him head.
My shades. Laura.
Bomba. How that?
Blood clear. Shannon, thank you. Wait.
Oh man.
Shoot my team. Shannon, thank you. Everybody. Sean, thank you.
Bust him head. Watch out, him come, watch out.
Shannon, thank you very much. Sean, thank you very much. Blessed, thank you very much.
Guys, we use up 2 times.
SNJ,
You not even bother look for the glasses.
thank
Watch
you very
out.
much.
Oh, boy. Shoot it.
Triple my team.
A triple to rot. You not even realize it.
Triple.
Thank you, Ali. Thank you, Juliet. Thank you, first lady. A triple crumbs. Okay, Mr. Daniel, I never realized I waited there. Pick up yourself and thank you so much. Yeah, man, put on the glasses now.
Everybody, thank you for. Wait.
Put on the glasses, man, and cover up the shame. Put on the glasses.
No. I wonder what Laura do with my glasses.
Hey, I appreciate it now. Crumbs, Judith, pick up on the cell.
I can't find my glasses. I look like that. I look that girl that where Laura gave me last night.
What's night to me? So that's not going to be what's night. Crumbs, I never saw one familiar.
Open us. Wait, Macka Diamond, no system up.
You don't spread your bed for morning.
Yeah.
What I'm say, not spread the bed for morning, that is it?
Yeah, you know. Cause me is a man like this, sometimes I don't really spread better than them thing there, cause you know, but the woman here grow, me not go talk still, cause the more me talk, me sink myself, so might as well be
I'm
just...
midday now.
Eh?
I'm midday now, you wake up long time, and that, I'm saying I'm midday now.
Yeah, man, my team, somebody can't beg you a snipe. Somebody can't beg on a snipe. Bumbo cleat. Who that's so lucky for make me kick over that bed and roll down? Yeah, me get a snipe, me shoot down the place.
Guys, know about the snipe. Me see them want them out, they might drop a wheel or something. I think them can use a wheel. Some other push up the score there. What's the snipe? Yeah man, one art me for insured. Thank you. Thank you, Tasha. One art me sniping.
Shannon, thank you very much, Shannon. Thank you very much.
You
Appreciate it. Blessed.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, blessed. Sean, thank you very much.
Firstly, the cash money. That's so
Ball.
And enjoy. Charlie, Gloria.
One share. Everybody, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you all very much.
Yeah, man. Team Macka to the world. Team Diamond. Big up on himself. It was a good job. But I played a few of them because I look like same people.
How things for the different they do, Macka?
But they are all the told now. But they are all the told.
Yeah, take your enough for your drama and stop stress, man.